Okay guys, so I'll show you what's inside here. It's my slime. Just hard to open. Oh gosh. Wait. I finally opened it. And this is what it looks like. It's very small, and I didn't just buy it. I'll show you how I have this. So, we went to a museum, a big museum. It's from a museum. And we were going to the kids' lab, and I saw something that looked like a class, and I saw they were making slime, and I asked my mom to join. So, they let me make one. That's cool. So, my story. So, show you how I made it. So they got baking soda, so much wine. You mix it, turns white. So I picked the blue as my coloring. That's how it turned blue. And I put some normal sprinkles and gold sprinkles. Sparkly. And it was the goodest slime when we were gluing up. And this is what it looks like inside. Cool. It can still be fixed when you just smush it with the top joining it. And these are some of the liquid from it. There's even the gold glitter. And let's put it in there so that we can make it. I've pulled all the water from it, and look how cool it is. Look how cool it can stretch. This is hard to stretch because it's staying there for like almost like 1 day already. And a lot of starts coming from my... I'll show you stretch as hard as I can. Gosh, this is so long. It's almost breaking. Ning, noing, ning, noing. Ning, noing, ning, noing.